boy pickup. Pasok!
Neneng, punta tayo sa cemeteryo.
Bakit?
Bibisay, bibisitahin natin yung patay na patay kong puso.
What the heck was that? Okay, tignan natin kung sinong nanalo ngayon. Fighting. Come here, you two.
Damn, Breezy. Let me show you how to keep the dice
Isid!
on that dang over.
Dahon! Or boy pickup! Until the undefeated boy pickup! And then our special guest. Meron tayong special guest dito. It's Mr. German. Mr. Stepku.